The world is constantly evolving, and so are the ways we manage our finances. Technology is at the forefront of this evolution. Led by a team of global faculty members, experts in the field of fintech, our program focuses on practical applications and prepares students for the industries of tomorrow. With our strategic collaborations with international universities and progressive curriculum, we offer various learning modalities to cater to the needs of modern-day students. Our program's curriculum provides an in-depth understanding of emerging technologies such as blockchain, digital currencies, and mobile payments, empowering students to embrace emerging opportunities in finance with the highest level of professional integrity. Our expansive 100-acre campus is equipped with modern facilities and amenities, creating an immersive learning and living experience for our students and faculty alike. Our program's graduates have gone on to successful careers in leading fintech companies, investment firms, and financial institutions, thanks to our unwavering commitment to innovation, excellence, and interdisciplinary learning. Join us at Ajeenkya Patil University and take your financial career to the next level. Apply for our MBA program in fintech today and start your journey to be an exceptional leader in the fintech industries globally.